So this is how you can block or unblock someone on TikTok. This works for any kind of account. Let's say someone's annoying you and you want to block them, or you've blocked someone before but you want to unblock them. So let's go on ahead and go to any kind of profile. I'm just going to choose a random video and random profile. For example, this one, I'm sure their account is great, but I will be using this as a tutorial. So now, as you can see, we are in their account, and now we're going to want to tap on this share button at the top right. And as you can see, there's this block button. So tap on that. Block Mittens and Nala. Tap on the red block button. And as you can see, it says, you blocked Tabby Cat Mittens. You aren't able to see each other's content. Now, how do I unblock? There's this red button in the middle where the follow button usually is, where we can tap on it, and it says unblock. So simply tap on unblock, and it's going to unblock this account. And now we are able to see their videos and everything we can, just like we did before we blocked them. And yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. If you want to block, tap on the share button, tap on block, and if you want to unblock, tap on the red unblock button in the middle of their account. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.